you can probably name the most beautiful place in Austria, and even the most interesting one. But do you know which place here is the most delicious? No? Then let us show you. It all starts with the story. Before you taste chocolate, you need to know where it comes from. And yes, at this point, the kids are already waiting for the moment when the tasting begins. But let them wait a little. Philosophy comes first. Production is like a grand performance. Only instead of actors, there are cocoa beans. They roast, grind, and blend, and it all happens in perfect harmony. If chocolate had its own opera, it would be performed right here. But here comes the moment everyone comes for, the tasting. Even adults suddenly become kids, and kids become twice as much kids. Here, there are dozens of types of chocolate: dark, milk, white, with pepper, with salt, and even flavors you might want to ask about first to see if you're ready for the experiment. The main rule in this room: try everything. You don't get to say that often in life. As you may have noticed, the factory is full of huge machines and mechanisms where you can not only taste chocolate, but also have a lot of fun. They're sure not to leave you indifferent. And the main mechanism here is the manipulator, which seems to have its own intelligence. It doesn't just serve you chocolate, sometimes it likes to play little tricks on you, but always with a smile. And these small pranks are exactly what make the visit even more fun and unforgettable. All you need to do is choose your desired treat and patiently wait while the manipulator delivers it straight to you. But be careful, it might play a little joke along the way.
If you love cocoa, you're in luck! The factory has an entire area dedicated to cocoa-based drinks where you can try dozens of variations: warm, cold, rich, or silky smooth. It's the perfect place to pause for a moment, breathe in the aroma, and recharge before the next stage of your journey.
And a little tip from us, save a bit of space for the final room. Trust us, that's where you'll find something truly delicious, the kind of treat you'll remember for a long time.
If you enjoyed this little adventure, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell. There are many more exciting places and tasty stories ahead.